I have two folders here, folder code from. It has 9 files of different types. Keep note that file number 6, this sheet has its own user form. And folder code 2 is currently empty. My goal is to automatically copy all files from file from into file 2. For this I go to my file copier and I have some task IDs. They may repeat. So you see task ID number 1 repeats 6 times and then goes task ID number 2. It is quite optional. And file ID is the list of file IDs. You can easily get them from the script that I showed from my previous video. And folder ID 2 is the same all the time, for it's the ID of my folder code 2. And here it is. This is folder code 2 and ID is from browser. 2 more columns. Name prefix. What goes before the future file name and what goes after. Name postfix. Name postfix is just current timestamp. And so I'll see the time when the files were copied. This is the sheet file copier, and the sheet ini is just settings. You don't need to edit this sheet ini. Go to Tools Script Editor. I've already done it. This is my file copier, and this is test file copier function that we're going to launch. It is selected because it was the only function to run from the code, and click Run. You have to wait some time. After the script ends, click Ctrl Enter and see what log says. -4 for file because it was user form and it doesn't copy user forms, it copies it only with file. And the rest is 0, it's okay. Runtime was 40 seconds, about 40 seconds, and let's go to the folder code 2 and see all files were loaded here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 or 10, even 10 files, including two files from this number 6. Let's check it. Let's check. This is the file with user form, and this was timestamp and option 1, which was made earlier. And let's go to user form and click on view, preview, leave preview of this user form and submit it. Your response has been recorded and it must be okay. It may take some time to record it because the file was just copied down. So I'll need just to wait some time because the form is linked to this file. Some final words. I waited for 5 minutes and here it is. My second option. Let's submit another answer and see if it goes right now or I have to wait it again. Oh, my third answer was immediately entered into form responses, so you see that it loads. It needs some time to load first, after first some first answers, and then it loads immediately. So my script handles different file types and it copies user forms correctly, and it works okay. And you need to make the copy of my file copier. You will see the link below the video, and see you next time.